This year, I ain't apologizing for nothing. You don't know what I had to fight through in order to be where I am. God wants me to have. You got to stand on business. I got no money, but I walk in like I own the whole joint. I understand why people don't like me, because they don't understand where I get my confidence from. But if God be for me, who can be against? I don't know who this is for. You did not miss your window. A portal has just opened on your behalf. Nobody in the earth has the power to block the blessing God has for you. I need you to just start this rumor. It's still coming. It's still coming. The marriage didn't work out, but it's still coming. Your siblings don't like you, but it's still coming. The devil about to be big man. Donald Trump is about to be president, but it's still coming.